Sorry about that, neighbor Timmy. That might cause some neighborly frustration. Anyhow, I had to come over and tell you about neighbor Kenny. Did you hear about it? Yeah. He got fired from his job Friday. It's not funny. He used to be a programmer for autocorrect. Yeah. They fried him for no reason. Anyway, take care, polar bear. Hopefully. That's it. That's it. Hey neighbor.
Camera recording.
I just came from neighbor Timmy's. I'm making the rounds. Yeah. Neighbor, did you hear about that new movie, Constipation? Don't worry about it. It never came out. Later, Gator. I'll see you at church. Love you, neighbor.